In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to master OpenOffice Writer shortcuts to boost your productivity and streamline your workflow. Knowing these handy shortcuts can transform the way you work by cutting down time and enhancing efficiency. Let's dive into the steps and uncover these time-saving secrets. First and foremost, learning the most useful built-in shortcuts is crucial. These shortcuts are your trusty sidekicks in the realm of text formatting, editing, navigation, and document management. Let's start with text formatting. You can easily make your text bold by pressing Ctrl+B, italicize using Ctrl+I, or underline with Ctrl+U. Aligning your text is a breeze too, whether you want it centered with Ctrl+E, aligned left by hitting Ctrl+L, or aligned right using Ctrl+R. And if you're looking to justify your text, simply use Ctrl+J. Now, let's move on to editing shortcuts. These are essential for quick and seamless editing. To copy text, use Ctrl+C. To cut, it's Ctrl+X. And to paste, just press Ctrl+V. Made a mistake? No worries. Undo with Ctrl+Z, or if you need to redo something, use Ctrl+Y. Navigating through your document is just as important. Jump to the beginning of your document effortlessly by using Ctrl+Home, or skip to the end with Ctrl+End. When you need to move quickly within your text, Ctrl plus the right arrow will let you hop one word to the right, and Ctrl plus the left arrow jumps left. Finally, for managing your documents, Ctrl+N creates a new document, Ctrl+O opens an existing one, Ctrl+S saves your work, and Ctrl+P gets everything ready for printing. Now that you're familiar with these shortcuts, let's talk about using them while typing. When you select the text you want to format, you can apply these shortcuts just with a quick press of a key combination, like Ctrl+B for bold, and keep on typing with the applied style continuing seamlessly. It's as simple as that. To tailor your experience further, you can view or customize shortcuts to fit your personal workflow. You do this by going to the menu, selecting Tools, then Customize. Once you're in, navigate to the Keyboard tab. Here, you can see all the existing shortcuts, assign new ones to commands you frequently use, and remove any shortcuts that you find unnecessary. Don't forget to click OK to save any changes you make. Practice is key to making these shortcuts second nature. Open up a blank document and take a moment to type out a short paragraph. Try to use only keyboard shortcuts, bold some words, center a heading, and experiment with undoing and redoing your actions. For instance, type OpenOffice Writer shortcuts, highlight it, press Ctrl+B to bold it, and then Ctrl+E to center it. And there you have it. With these steps, you're on your way to becoming an OpenOffice Writer shortcut master. Implement them into your daily routine and watch your productivity soar. Happy typing!